Hey everyone, I've had my tonsils out last Friday, so I'm gonna sound weird. I joined the Stamps of Life, to die and stamp set you get for $25, which includes shipping. And they had a special this month where if you purchased the new kit, you would get like a free subscription or something like that. So this is last month's kit. Since I joined, I was able to get so $25, and you get a random stamp of the month and the matching die, and I thought that was pretty cool. So I thought that was worth 25 bucks, and that includes shipping. Plus she gives you a 15% discount, and that was cool too. So throughout the whole store, and you also got a free stamp by joining. Yeah, see, oh my gosh, I really wanted this one too. Oh my gosh, I really wanted this stamp. I saw someone use it and I thought, oh my god, that is so cute. So I got that also. That is awesome. So that was my freebie for joining. So this was October's set, and then this is November's set. And I think you have to pay taxes, so I think it came out to like $26.33 because I live in California, so our taxes are higher here. So I don't know what your taxes would be. So you get a little inspiration card, and you get what you get in your stamp. So this is, I don't know, before I became obsessed with Project Life, I was a card maker. Sorry, excuse me, that my stupid throat is... Oh, don't get your tonsils out as an adult. I'll just tell you that much. It sucks. So, anyways, this is the coordinating set. So cute. Oh, so it says club price. $13.95 and $10.95. So, that's cool. Super cute. And they have a coordinating set that you can buy extra. That's the extra little set they have. And I guess she does a lot of flash sales. So I've been waiting for the flash sales too on certain stamps that I like. So I don't know if they have a referral program or not, but I just thought it'd be fun to share with you guys that what you get for 25 bucks was pretty cool. So October, November, oh jeez, and a freebie. Alright guys, we'll see y'all next month. We'll see what we get. Bye.